Okay. So now we are going into a very special bottle. But which one am I going to choose? Let's go. You are the chosen one. Domaine Leroy 1990. Corton Renardes Grand Cru. Clean this up a little bit. Wow, what a spectacular wine. All right.
Dude, if this doesn't end up on your YouTube channel,
you're good, you're good. I'm excited for you. So, 1990 Domaine Leroy Corton Renardes. Super excited. Whenever you see the red top, it's like, okay, we're in prime time right now. Madame Leroy will fill up the bottle completely and then shove the cork in. So all the liquid will come out to completely saturate the cork. And then when they're laying sideways, because the cork is completely saturated, they will leak. It's a way for her to reduce the amount of oxygen that's inside of the bottle, reduce the ullage, and then also keep the cork as wet as possible. Yeah, and that's, you know, you could be a little crazy and that's okay. But if you're crazy and you don't do good things, then it's not okay. He's, yeah, a legend for a reason, right? Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Perfect.
What's the year on that?
1990.
What's crazy though is the person who's watching our kids was born after 9/11. And to me that is just such a like defining moment. She's fantastic. Yeah.
It's real life now, you know?
I was trying to explain to Gina who you were. She said, oh, the guy with the hands.
Yes, because that's what you always see.
Yeah. That's the good thing about my videos is I don't have to film me. I film you guys. You know what I mean? I don't like how I look, so this is perfect. This is like the best of both worlds.
You're gorgeous.
I appreciate that. You and my wife say the same thing.
Aww.
All right.
Duranding this situation.
Oh yeah. So this is like my little off-brand, but I love it. It is absolutely fantastic. Little off-brand Durand. That's right.
It's the greatest invention in
Yeah.
opening ever.
Yeah, you just kind of like take your time. You know, these corks when they're old, they break constantly. So you just kind of just try to take your time as best as you can.
Glad you don't live in the Sahara Desert, because you'd all be dead right now. Know how long it takes to get
We're counting on you for liquids.
This is like surgery right now.
Oh yeah.
literally.
That is a saturated cork right there. Woo! I love it.
That's blue right there.
Yep.
5 years today.
Wow. Oh, I smell it. I just opened it. I already smell it. Wow. I'm gonna wipe this just because it's pretty dirty.
What about this year?
I had a newborn at home to Alberta and back down and go to national parks with our family. So
Color looks nice. Just a little bit of the cork in there. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. All right.
not going to French province.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna tell me right now. Wow.
I like GRV. I think it's gonna be fun, you know. Their friends and family all get to spend time together. We have such good jobs working at Geese Abroad, but
Wait until you smell it.
it's not
I'm almost afraid because
we don't.
it means it's one step closer to being gone. Look at that color.
It's gonna be nice to spend, 30 days in a row with my wife and kids.
Dude, the nose right now is incredible. It's incredible.
Money well spent. Oh, it's already different.
The nose is incredible. Incredible.
Oh my god! I mean, it was like at first it was like a little hint of mint, and then
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
someone's happy.
Wait until you smell it. It's gorgeous. I'm telling you. That's why. As soon as I opened it, I knew immediately. I was like, okay, we're in a good space right now.
I see.
Incredible. Yeah, in my opinion, these wines, when you taste them, if you've never had it before, it's one of those wines that will always stay with you forever.
Yeah.
And I can't get enough of it.
Oh my god.
I smell it all the way up here. It's just incredible.
Goodness gracious. We've crossed over into
I love
We
it.
have a 3-foot emulsion blender. We puree over 1,500 artichoke hearts. Every time we make it, this is
Good idea.